Hey, this is Lewis from Oxygen, and welcome to Design Rules, where I talk about simple ways to improve your designs. Today we're going to be talking about body text and using enough contrast on your body text that it's readable. Your body text is the most important text on your website. If people can't read that, then there's almost no point in even having a website in the first place. So it's very important to get the readability of that perfect. Now, a lot of people think, oh, the headings are more important, so they'll use very dark headings, and then sort of think the body text is less important, so they use gray body text. Well, of course, when skimming, the first thing people are going to notice are the headings. But the whole point of the headings is to get people to read the body text in the first place. So you got to make sure that's readable. And this example here, there's not enough contrast. So let's go ahead and figure out where this gray is coming from and change it to something darker and more readable. So here's the style. Let's just crank this down to a much darker gray. And look at that. Look how much better it looks. Now we can actually read the text on the website. Okay, if you like this video, check the YouTube description for a link to many more videos just like this one. Again, this is Lewis from Oxygen, and thank you for watching Design Rules.